Hi everybody, I am Surendra. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you about how to use look, sound, smell, feel and taste to talk about general appearance of people and things. Let's get started. Without wasting our time, I would like to start from basic structure. We need to remember three basic structure before starting our exercise. Structure number first. Subject plus look plus adjective. If there is adjective, you need to use look. Subject plus look plus adjective. Similarly, our second structure is subject plus look like plus noun. If there is noun, please use look like. Our third structure is subject plus look plus as if or look as though plus clause. Here, clause means sentence. It has its own subject and verb. If there is clause, please you need to use third structure. And similar structure are used with other sense verb also, like sound, smell, feel and taste. For example, subject plus look plus adjective instead of subject plus sound plus adjective, feel plus adjective, smell plus adjective, taste plus adjective. Similarly, subject plus look like plus noun instead of subject plus feel like plus noun, sound like plus noun, smell like plus noun, taste like plus noun. Similarly, in the third structure also, subject plus look as if or look as though plus clause instead of, we can use subject plus sound as if or sound as though, feel as if or feel as though, smell as if or smell as though, taste as if or taste as though. We can use in such a way on the basis of context, which we need to use on the basis of context, on the basis of question. We can use other sense verb similar like look. And here, यसरी एक्सरसाइज सुरु गर्नु पूर्व, एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट गर्नुभन्दा पहिला हामीले यी तीनवटा स्ट्रक्चरहरू कहाँ र कसरी प्रयोग गर्ने हो राम्रोसँग बुझ्नु पर्दछ। एक्जेप्टिभसँग लुकको प्रयोग गर्नुपर्दछ, नाउनसँग लुक लाइकको र क्लजसँग लुक एज इफ वा लुक एज दोको प्रयोग गर्नुपर्दछ। यहाँ क्लज भनेको सेन्टेन्स हो भनेर बुझ्नु पर्दछ। क्लज भनेको सेन्टेन्स हो भनेर बुझ्नु पर्दछ। क्लजको आफ्नै सब्जेक्ट र भर्ब हुन्छ। यहाँ डिपेन्डेन्ट क्लज, इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट क्लज भनेर डेप्थमा जानु पर्दैन। अर्का महत्त्वपूर्ण कुरा के याद गर्नु पर्दछ भने अरु सेन्स भर्ब जस्तो स्मेल, फिल, टेस्ट, साउन्डको पनि लुकको जस्तै स्ट्रक्चर हुन्छ, अथवा लुकको ठाउँमा आवश्यकता अनुसार स्मेल, फिल, टेस्ट र साउन्डको पनि प्रयोग गर्न सकिन्छ। लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रम सम एक्जाम्पल्स. It will support you to develop your confidence to solve similar problem. Very beginning, you need to find out given question is noun, adjective or clause, means sentence. And remember the structure we discussed earlier. For example, first question, A number, he needs a wash. This is clause. How to know this is clause? It has its own subject, he, needs is a verb. Clause has its own subject and verb. This is a sentence. So if there is clause, you need to use he looks as if he needs a wash or he looks as though he needs a wash. Similarly, rather aggressive is adjective, so that he looks rather aggressive. And a tramp is a noun, so that he looks like a tramp. Angry is adjective, so that he looks angry. Something from outer space, this is noun. There is no verb, no subject, no verb. Don't confuse. Something from outer space is noun. So it looks like something from outer space. Do remember, find out, read the given question and find out whether this is noun or adjective or clause. And on that basis, you need to implement the structure that we discussed earlier. Similarly, I would like to give you other example also. Let's see, change the following sentences using look, sound, smell, feel, taste, and plus like. You need to remember structure, sound like plus noun, feel like plus noun, smell like plus noun, like that. Okay? First of all, you need to read a given question and find out which change verb will be appropriate. Yeah? Whether sound or look or smell or feel or taste. पहिला दिएको क्वेसन राम्रोसँग पढ्नु पर्दछ पढिसकेपछि कुन सेन्स वर्ब उपयुक्त हुन्छ त्यहाँ साउन्डसँग सम्बन्धित छ कि लुकसँग सम्बन्धित छ कि टेस्टसँग छ कि फिलसँग कि स्मेलसँग हामीले पत्ता लगाउनु पर्छ जस्तो स्योरली इज नट अ म्यानुअल वर्कर ऊ फिजिकल वर्कर होइन भनेको छ ओके ही लुक्स लाइक अ बिजनेसम्यान टु मी लाइक दैट या लुक्स लाइक ही आफ्टर लुक्स लाइक या Are you sure this is tea? Yeah. Tea means how we know. Yeah. We know by taste. Yeah. So related to taste. Yeah. It tastes like coffee to me. Like this. I wonder who wrote that music. Music is a matter of sound so that we know by listening. So it sounds like Naran Gopal's to me or any musicians. You can write there. What's that you are cooking? Yeah. Taste related to taste. It tastes like rice pudding to me. Like this, they have got similar faces. How we know? देखेर थाहा हुन्छ नि त. So they look like twins to me. Twins, yeah. And I have got something in my shoes. Yeah. How we know? By feeling. So it feels like stone to me. Yeah. Don't write a stone. It feels like stone to me. In such a way. पहिला राम्रोसँग क्वेसन पढ्ने पढिसकेपछि कुन सेन्स वर्ब उपयुक्त हुन्छ त्यहाँ अनि त्यसलाई के गर्नुपर्छ त्यो राखेर एन्सर डेभलप गर्नुपर्छ र लुक लाइक साउन्ड लाइक फिल लाइक पछि लास्टमा नाउन लेख्नुपर्छ डोन्ट फर्गेट टु राइट टु मी लेख्न नबिर्सनु किन यो त्यो सबैलाई त्यो लागेको होइन नि त स्पिकरलाई मात्र लागेको हो त्यो ओके अरूको लागि अरू पर्सेप्सन हुनसक्छ त्यसैले स्पिकरको लागि मात्र हो टु मी सो योर पर्सेप्सन सो बेटर टु राइट टु मी At last, let's say, change the following sentences using look, sound, smell, feel, taste, as if or as though plus clause. How to solve? Sound as if, smell as if, feel as if or as though. Let's say, you can hear people singing next door because this is related to sound, you hear. So, they sound as if they are having party like this, yeah? You see, it is related to which sense organ. Then write according to that sense verb. They sound as if they are having party like this. Yeah. When you open the door of your flat, there is a strong smell of smoke like this. It smells as if someone has smoke like this. Yeah. Because this is matter of smell. You know by smelling there is smoke. Similarly, when you toss your writing desk, you notice it is sticky. Means it feels as if someone. Similarly, at last, you see a man lying underneath a car. He looks as if he is a mechanic because we know him by looking. In such a way, first of all, need to read given question, find out which sense verb will be appropriate. Then after, follow the structure. Thanks for watching.